Since its inception in 1996, Ellingson DTD has focused on environmental applications of horizontal directional drilling. Over the years, the company has perfected the highly specialized techniques needed to install and develop horizontal wells for environmental remediation applications. Ellingson DTD is committed to the continual innovation and improvement of horizontal well technology, design, and installation techniques. The company holds several patents for both innovative well construction materials as well as installation methods and downhole tooling. Ellingson DTD is more than just a drilling contractor. The technical guidance and support offered by industry leaders and subject matter experts is second to none. Each project, no matter how big or small, is assigned an on-site field manager who holds a college degree in geology, earth sciences, or a related scientific field. With offices in Pennsylvania, California, Texas, and Minnesota, Ellingson DTD serves the entire continental U.S. and has completed projects as far away as Alaska and Puerto Rico. To learn more, check out their website at horizontaldrill.com.